Introduce quick overview and highlight features of Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner, RUNVAC Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with Mop and Self-cleaning, upright vacuum cleaner with 4900 mAh battery for 60 minutes. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. All-in-one vacuum and mop. You can mop the floor while vacuuming, which will save half of the housework time for you. It applies not only to dust, but also to wet garbage and liquids. Easy to clean up the mess caused by pets and children, such as pet food, milk, eggs, noodles and more. Over 60 minutes of cordless cleaning. It's time to get rid of wires and limited working hours. The 60-minute super long working time can meet the needs of cleaning the whole house. RUNVAC Upright Vacuum Cleaner contains a removable battery, whose capacity is 4900 mAh. You can adjust the power of suction by switching between ECO and Max mode. The ECO mode is designed for tile and wood floors, while the Max mode is designed for carpet and other irregular floor. The upgraded powerful suction will not ignore any corner or gap. This technology will keep the clean water separate from dirty water and garbage to avoid secondary pollution. The dirty water tank is 0.55 liters, which can hold more garbage and sewage. The self-cleaning cycle helps maintain machine's cleaning performance. You can get 2 replaceable brush roller sets for longer using time. The LED display allows you to clearly know the condition of the machine, such as power, mode, and water shortage. The self-standing function makes it can be put anywhere without falling down. It's the best choice for family that the noise is under 75 decibels. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.